Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Word document files on Windows 11 not showing the Word icon. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to select a Word document. Right click on it. As you can see, I have a Word document on my desktop screen. Then choose the option of Open With. You can simply choose the option of Microsoft Word to open it Microsoft Word application. But to change the icon, go to choose another app and choose the option of Microsoft Word. And click on Always option. And as you can see, the file has been opened in Microsoft Word and also the icon has been changed to Word. So that's it. That is how easily you can change the icon of Word documents on Windows 11. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.